In the last lesson, we talked about practice. Of course, you must practice your English. But remember, don't worry 100% about grammar when you are speaking. It's more important when you're writing. How can you practice your speaking? You have some choices. You could go to an English conversation school. But here, the teachers will try to correct your mistakes. This is useful to learn, but you want to speak naturally. You can talk with other English-speaking friends, but maybe they are not available. And during COVID-19, it is difficult to meet people for conversation. Or maybe you're very busy and don't have time. Or, and I talked about this in the last lesson, you can talk to yourself. You don't need to be serious about this. You can do this anytime you're thinking. What will I do this morning? Where will I eat lunch today? I need to take a shower. When you're doing this, don't worry at all about your grammar or vocabulary. Just think about whatever is natural in English. I did this when I was learning other languages, and I promise it helps you to be more comfortable when you are speaking. Maybe you think talking to myself is a little crazy. Maybe you're right. If you don't want to do that, then you can also practice with simple exercises. Below this video, there are some questions to answer in English. Don't write the answers down. Practice just speaking the answers naturally. Say whatever you want to. I also added a record option. You can record yourself answering the questions, listen to it, and then download the file and listen to it again later. If you speak too slowly, try again. If you cannot understand yourself, try again. Practice is the most important thing. When you are going to work or when you are taking a break, just practice thinking to yourself in English. You don't have to speak. Just think about the answers and it can help you. Try to practice this at least once or twice a day, and your English will start to be easier for you. Will it be perfect? No. But it will be more natural and comfortable. In the next lesson, we will talk about another way to increase your confidence and to help your audience understand you: enunciation. You can come back to this lesson anytime and practice more if you want to. But when you are ready, click the Complete and Continue button above to go to the next video.